All right, good day, guys. My name is Destin. I'm Static Trade. This video is for educational purposes only, not a financial advice. Please trade and involve risk. Don't trade with the amount you know you can afford to lose. Okay. So, guys, I'll be using this simple strategy, and I'll be using a 1 minute time frame right here, and I'll be using 1,250 to enter a trade. So, let me be very fast. So, let me look for a reliable signal where I could trade, and then probably explain to you guys why I decide to enter. What is mostly important is for you finding a good opportunity according to your strategy, and you being patient, wait for the market to give you exactly what you want, uh, the exact uh, the exact setup you want according to your strategy, so you can dive in and make money for yourself. Okay, so let's see how it goes. Right here, I'm looking for a good opportunity. You have to be ready to be patient. As a way to succeed, the binary option needs you to be very patient with the market, waiting for the market to give you an opportunity before you strike. Now, guys, I'm looking at this trade to see what is going on, and my plan is to go up here for 1 minute. So let's see how the market goes. So my plan is to go here up for 1 minute. So let's see how this trade goes. And why did I decide to enter this trade for 1 minute? Well, I decided to enter this trade for 1 minute because I see, firstly, that's been coming down and then tried touches this level, went back, touched this level. So I believe it's definitely going to go back up before trying to come down. So that's just what made me enter. And the same thing, you can see what the MACD is doing already crossed each other right here, indicating that this market is going to buy, and he wants to bring in a bar and histogram bar upward. That's just to give you another clear information. You can look down at the RSI. You can see coming down from the oversold area, going up after crossing the 50 level. So let's just patient and see. Wow, that was a close one. So we won that right there. So let me look for another good moment to see. So I still believe this thing is gonna go up for 1 minute. And you just have this in mind that it's still gonna go up for 1 minute. Still gonna go up. So I just have this in mind. Like I said before, after crossing the 50 level, now you can see the MACD bar. You can see the MACD right there. You can see it's already giving us a good an histogram already, bars already at the top, indicating that this market is definitely going to go upward more. You forget what it's doing, just wait and see the results. Definitely going to come off, and my prediction is that you're going to get to this level or even higher. So leave what is going on. Let's just wait patiently and see. Definitely going to be in profit before the end of this trade. So we just have few seconds remaining. So let's wait. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, we lost that. We lost that right there. We lost that right there, but it's nothing to worry about. Nothing to worry about. Nothing to worry about. So let me look for a good moment again. Let me look for a good moment again. I think this market is gonna come down. So I'm gonna enter twice because of that other market. Okay. So I'm entering this market twice here for 1 minute. So let's just wait and see how it's definitely gonna play out for us. So I'm entering here twice here. So I believe this market is gonna come down strongly. Definitely gonna come down. And why did I decide to dive into this market for two positions? Firstly, See what the MACD is doing after it crosses each other. You can see giving us a good strong histogram buy, indicating that the market is going to sell. You can see the RSI cross the 50 level, touches the oversold area right there, and it's down there. So I believe the market is definitely going to sell for a period of time before anything. So let's just see. So this is how it is. Congratulations, guys. This is just everything. So see you guys next time to make profit. See you guys next time again, and God bless you all. All right. See you guys. Bye.